Hey guys, how y'all doing? Let's be relaxed and chill. I'm actually trying to get relaxed and chill with this setting because this setting is very conventional. But, okay, today I'm just going to be shocked in front of you guys on this particular YouTuber that just blew up. Yeah, her name is Korty. Korty EO is her YouTube channel. I just want to watch, maybe just show you guys a few of her videos, and you guys can also tell me what you feel when you watch her videos, what you notice, what you see, when you watch her videos. Just leave it down in the comment section. I really want to know, because I still have my opinion and also want to share with you guys what I feel, my reactions to it, and basically letting you guys know what I feel worked for her, and I feel like it would actually work for a lot of Nigerians. I'm funny how my friend actually sent a voice note this morning saying something similar. So let's just get into her channel and see everything. So this is Korty. Oh, I have a message. Oh, okay. So this is Korty's page, right? Oh, mind my edges, guys. You know what? Nobody cares actually. Oh, whatever. So this is Korty's page, right? And let me find the video that actually made her to blow. Let me put it that way. So it was this one. Yeah, this one. And like, it still has the most views on her channel, 127,000 views. And I watched this video, guys, so I'm going to open it for you guys.
This month is the first month in almost 2 years that I have gone without feeling any form of anxiety.
Okay, first of all, when I opened the video, I was like, wow. Okay, first of all, no makeup. Her hair is literally like the way every African girl's hair is most of the time. Let me just do that right now. Like, oh gosh, the struggle. Okay, so like, this is me, and I'm like, first of all, she didn't even bother about makeup. She didn't even bother about how she looks, her hair, or anything like that. She just, see what she's wearing, home clothing. Like, why do I have to sit down and always do makeup? Like, I don't enjoy doing makeup all the time. I have foundation on right now, and that's because I'm batch creating videos and I don't want to look the same in all of them. That's why I actually put foundation. I just put foundation and put lip gloss, and like, I'm even sweating and it's so difficult to even wipe my face. It's so annoying. So like, I don't like wearing makeup when I create content because it's uncomfortable, like, to maintain the look and everything. I felt that, oh, I have to do makeup because I saw people like Kelechi Indumina doing makeup, Dima Ume doing makeup. So I felt, okay, I should do makeup to make my videos. I'm not saying it's bad for them to do makeup. Like, it's actually, whatever you want to do, you do. And then I realized that, I don't have to stress myself to create content. Like, why do I have to?
I just feel at peace. And it's crazy, right? Because I have quit my job and I'm about to be broke. I think 22 is a very weird age. The 16-year-olds, you're...
Okay, another thing that I've noticed is relatability, right? This is a very relatable story because I am also broke. Like, it's so relatable. People of our age, I'm 20, I'll be 20 this month, January 27th, I'll be 20. Like, I'm not employed. I haven't even done my NYSC. Like, I just finished university. I'm not employed yet. All I have is my business that I'm trying to run and push. But like, her content is like really relatable. So, and she started the video with that.
Very old.
Oh my god, you're 22? Oh my god.
But to like 30-year-olds, people who are like in their late 20s, you're still young and oh my god, you should.
Then another thing is B-rolls. And I always forget to have B-rolls in my content. It doesn't have to be in all your content too, but like, at least some of them should have B-rolls. B-rolls are like, they're like aiders, because the attention span of people these days is like peanuts. What am I saying? It's like sugar grain. It's like grain of sugar. It's like gari. 1 grain of gari. In fact, if you can count a grain of salt, yes, like 1 grain of salt. It's that bad. So like, having B-rolls kind of just makes their eyes to like travel through different things. So maybe recording videos in different scenes and stuff like that can actually like help increase the audience retention of a video, which I have tested and it works. guys, it works. I implemented things that I learned from her video into a video that I did for Covenant University students, and the video has been performing the best on my channel so far. I did 2 videos. Was it 2? Was it? Okay, no, I did one video I did one video recorded based on inspiration I got from her videos, right? And that video, I think, has about 190 something views, which is way more than what I usually have. I usually have like 40 something views max, or like sometimes 10, 13, 17. I have a video that is currently 7 views right now, and I have one that is 3 views, and like, so 100 and something is a good thing for me. And then my subscribers have also increased drastically, not drastically as like I've blown up, but like better than what I usually get before. So I moved from, I think, from 90 something to 112.
Relax, you're doing so well for your age. But I think that 21 to 25 is just dicey age. That I'm so scared of turning 25, man. So scared. So I'm going to tell a little story. My family house is in Ibadan. My parents live in Ibadan. Ibadan is in Nigeria. For people who don't live in Nigeria, it's a small town, but it's got like a lot of people. So I left Ibadan right after university, and I came to Lagos. My mom was okay with me coming to Lagos.
Yeah, this is something that I've seen other people talk about, which is storytelling. Yeah, storytelling, whatever kind of content you're creating, as long as you can tell a story, right, with the content, it will captivate people's attention, because it's like watching a movie. They are expecting something at the end, right? So even if you're doing story times and doing vlogs, it can be as chill as possible, like you're gisting with your friends and all, but then by the time you make it sort of like you're narrating a story or you're narrating a poem or something, it sort of like captivates people. It will captivate me a lot, so that's another thing.